What's up, y'all? I'm back just for a little pop-in today. Hot for Food Approved episode 4. Today's a special episode. I got all these products at Walmart. I went there specifically for the Red Robin onion rings after my onion ring disaster. These, my friends, are the top stuff. Went all the way to Walmart just to get these, and I figured I could probably find some other vegan products to share and try. So none of these I have tried other than the onion rings. So it's actually opposite. 1 I've tried and 5 I haven't tried. Yeah, I already tried these. They're so good. I bought 2 bags. Should have bought 6 bags, but didn't have room in my freezer. Apparently they're only available at Walmart. Looked at Vons, looked at Ralph's, looked all over the place, looked all over the internet, couldn't find them, only at Walmart. Not a pleasant shopping experience. However, you know, sometimes Walmart's the only place maybe near you. Of course, all the food's the same as anywhere else. It's just cheaper. But like the produce comes from the same place, y'all. It doesn't matter. I just have to say it's very dreary inside this particular Walmart that I went to. So I really didn't enjoy the experience, and it was very busy. So I risked my life going there. Anyway, who cares? Let's move on. I found some fun things that I am excited to try. Before we get into them though, I do want to tell you about something called the plant-based bundle. Now, if y'all have followed me on Instagram, you've probably seen me speaking about it a lot because it's so freaking cool and it's such a hot deal. But I really did want to share this with the YouTube audience because I know it doesn't always cross over, and in case you missed my community post, then you don't know what I'm talking about. But the plant-based bundle is a sick deal. Basically, for $50, you get 80 plus vegan lifestyle and recipe and health and wellness ebooks. 80 plus books for $50. It essentially works out to 70 cents an ebook, and these ebooks are ranging the whole gamut of vegan information. So you've got vegan nutrition, health and wellness, stuff from like nutritionists and doctors. You've got allergen-free recipes, gluten-free vegan recipes, stuff like mine, comfort food, including a brand new ebook that I included in only the plant-based bundle called Nothing But Nudes. It's an ebook that I whipped together with some of the best pasta recipes that I've been just keeping in my back pocket for a while. So it's only available in this plant-based bundle, which is only available until January 3rd. So it's a limited time offer. I wouldn't talk about this if I didn't think it was super cool and totally worth the money. Like I said, it's so much content from all of your favorite vegan content creators and influencers. Not people just like me, but people who talk more about health and nutrition. Like I said, allergen-free recipes, meal planning, baby vegan food. There's lots of workout material, which I'm particularly stoked about because I need new workouts. There's like bodybuilding for basic bodybuilding training programs. There's even yoga. There's some meditation stuff and other mindfulness coaching. So definitely check it out. I have linked below directly to it. You can see the whole list of the vegan creators. I'll just show you a quick little sampling of some of the books in here. They're beautiful. And so even if you wanted, let's say like 5 or 7 or 10 of these books out of the 80 and more that are there, it's still worth the $50. Some of these programs cost $50 on their own, and you're getting them now bundled together with all of this good stuff from the vegan community. It is an affiliate program, so I do make commission off of the affiliate link that you click in my description, just so you know. But it's such a sweet deal. I myself have the bundle, and I've been going through a lot of the recipe books and the workouts. I've been doing the Banana Blondie yoga 1 month free trial, which I'm loving because I needed a new yoga routine. There's also a cookbook with 100 vegan recipes from John Lewis, aka Badass Vegan, as well as 2 incredible recipe books from Fit Green Mind. If you follow her, she's got great easy stuff. So the full gamut. There's even about I think like 10 vegan dessert themed cookbooks in there. So it's hot, guys. I just wanted to tell you and make sure you knew here in the Hot for Food YouTube group all about the plant-based bundles. So click below. It's super easy too. So you'll essentially get an access email to then click over and you'll be able to download individual ebooks. So you don't necessarily get it all just automatically to your computer. So if you just want to pick and choose what you want out of the bundle, you get to do that. And it's super easy. You load it up to your iPad or your device. And so like I said, this is only available until January 3rd, just before midnight, 11:59 p.m. Eastern time. So you have to act fast. Don't think too long. You only got a few more days here to think about it. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I will reply. It's very exciting. But now it's time to eat some food. And now you know I have this new air fryer, so we're gonna pretty much do all these things in the air fryer. So let me just, where are we gonna start here? Well, the onion rings, yes, we are gonna cook these up because I just want some. Now, the rest of these I said I hadn't tried. So these Holy Rollies, frozen protein balls. I was kind of excited to see these at Walmart. I've never seen this brand, Crazy Richards. Healthy, you know, sweet, only has peanut butter, gluten-free oats, dates, unsweetened toasted coconut, and cacao nibs. So it was nice to see like a raw, healthy treat there. They smell good. Of course you can make these yourself, but not everyone's gonna do that. This comes with a pack of how many? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, these taste like my raw cookie dough balls. Well, these are good. I mean, I knew they wouldn't be bad. Nice little snack. I'm gonna leave these in the fridge now. I think the reason I wanted to find stuff at Walmart is because there's this weird misconception about grocery stores, right? Like, some people think there are better grocery stores than others. And it's true. There are like the Whole Foods of the world, and they're like a certain type of grocery store. Or like here in LA, you have Air One, which is a super bougie grocery store. But apart from those, pretty much every other grocery store is exactly the same. All the food comes from the same place. All the produce comes from the same place. And so this is not an ad for Walmart, but I like going into stores like Walmart or Albertsons or other, like, I guess I'd call them budget grocery stores. Like in Canada, we have No Frills, and I shop there all the time because it was essentially the same as going to Loblaws, and it's owned by Loblaws, but like you get the food for less. So I like going to every grocery store and seeing what the options are, because what happens is people will be like, oh, well, they don't have that at my grocery store, or they don't have anything at my grocery store, or this or that. And it's like, I know I'm trying packaged foods because you do have to look and you explore, and they're getting new products all the time. So when people say like, oh, I can't find anything fun at my grocery store, I know you're lying, because there's all kinds of fun things if you just look. And it's always growing. Like, if I went to Walmart today, I went a few weeks ago, there'd probably be stuff that wasn't there when I was there the last time. So anyway, all this to say, explore your grocery store. Don't get stuck in a rut going down the same aisles and buying the same things. Yeah, don't grocery store discriminate, I guess is also what I'm saying. The Daiya, yeah, okay, I can't, like, am I saying it wrong? Daiya Fiesta breakfast burrito. Now, I've had another Daiya burrito, but I've never seen the breakfast one, and they only had the breakfast one at Walmart for some reason. So it has an egg style scramble, black beans, peppers, potatoes, and cheddar style shreds. Obviously, probably their shreds. But I was curious what the egg stuff was. If they were using just egg, or their egg style scramble says water, pea protein, coconut oil, xanthan gum, sea salt, and konjac gum. Konjac gum is just that root vegetable that sort of is like rubbery. Yeah. All right, how should we cook this? What does it say? Remove frozen burrito from package, cook on micro or the oven. The oven takes 40 minutes. Or do we do the air fryer? We're gonna do everything in the air fryer. I'm just gonna show you everything and then we'll taste test it separately because it's all going in the air fryer. Okay, Morningstar Farms, you know I like their corn dogs. This is Incogmeato. I believe this is like a new rendition of their meat products, their vegan meats. I don't know, but I never tried the chicken fingers, and these are kitty ones shaped like Mickey Mouse heads. This is all they had in terms of, well, they had the Gardein products, but this was like the only thing they had that I hadn't tried there in this section where all the vegan products and vegan frozen foods were. So I'm hoping these are gonna be good. Again, we can do these really quick in the air fryer. Soy, protein, and wheat flour, okay? Not gluten-free. The burrito's gluten-free. Now this was exciting. P.F. Chang's Kung Pao cauliflower. Accidentally vegan. Not labeled vegan, of course, but there are no animal products in this. I did a very deep dive into the ingredients. Contains soy and wheat. No milk ingredients, all these kinds of things. So this is exciting, guys. These could also be done in the air fryer. So let me get that out and get everything ready. I believe these were on sale. I don't have my receipt in front of me, but ooh. Okay, these look like big pieces of cauli, which I'm excited about. All right, let's get cooking. Oh yeah, and I have this Ocean's Halo Maui onion dressing. Maui onion style ranch dressing. I have no clue what that's supposed to taste like, but I was like, heck, this sounds delicious. And I really like Ocean's Halo. I haven't shown them on this series yet, but they have amazing broths like a miso, a ramen, and a pho broth, all vegan. And they also have a no chicken broth, all in like Tetra Pak. So I had never seen this dressing. So it's weird. It's like they sell the broths at all the stores, but they don't sell this. And then this was at Walmart without the broth. So it made no sense. But anyway, looks delicious. So we'll dip our chicken nuggies in that. All right, BRB. All right, the Mickey Mouse nuggets are ready. I can't believe how fast the damn air fryer is. I've been using it so much. Those took 7 minutes. All right, we'll add the dressing. Whoa, whoa, that's a lot of dressing. Dressing's a little thin, but I guess it's a dressing, not a dip. The package for the Incogmeato says, tastes like real meat. Hang on, let's do it without the dip. No, it doesn't taste like chicken. I like this dressing. What am I going to use it for? Be great for pasta salad. Okay, dressing's a hit. The nuggets, nah. They're too mushy inside. Like, you could trick a kid into eating these. They wouldn't care. But someone with a sophisticated chicken nugget palate like mine, well, you can't fool me. No, not my favorite. All right, we got our hot breakfast burrito here. In the air fryer, that thing gets crispy. Ooh, almost too crispy. Let's cut it open. Whoa. I might have cooked the outside and not the inside. Oh, it's so cold in the middle. Ah! Okay, don't do a burrito in an air fryer. Whoops. Now the thing about frozen burritos is I do eat them. And I usually have a couple just in the freezer for emergencies only. Because there are times when I don't have time to make anything and I have to eat. So I just microwave a burrito. And it's a sad state of affairs when I do that, because microwaving a burrito is like the worst way to eat it. You want to do it in the oven so it's perfect, but it takes forever. Also been known to, not tried this one, but there's the Alpha Foods one I've done. Pop that in the microwave and eat it on the way to the airport. Done that too. Pretty good. You know, it is what it is. It's not like the best thing I've ever eaten, but it's not bad. I think the scramble is getting a bit lost in here. Definitely needs a salsa. Here, I'm just adding something else to the mix. I like this salsa verde for burritos. It's really liquidy. Yeah, I actually have to say that this burrito is maybe lacking some salt. Burritos hot for food approved. Maui onion dressings hot for food approved. The nuggets aren't hot for food approved. The onion rings are hot for food approved already. The peanut butter balls hot for food approved. Well, there's the onion rings. I guess Red Robin is a fast food like burger diner. There's one in Vancouver, I'm pretty sure. I don't know if it's still there. But people said they can't find these in Canada. It's a real shame. These people should just be manufacturing the onion rings for everywhere because they're so good. Oh, and side note, those onion rings from Whole Foods, those 365 brand ones that I made in the oven that other time, I did try them in the air fryer. Still no good. They're just bad onion rings. The batter is bad. They don't taste like anything. These are perfect. Like, there's just no point in even trying to make these at home because I tried and you just can't nail it. You can't nail the batter. You can't get it to stick. The crustiness is not the same. I'm gonna keep trying, but I'm not gonna release some half-assed onion ring recipe. I have crispy onion strings on Hot for Food blog. Those are good, but these are a whole different thing. These are thick, and like the batter is just not mushy. It's just like perfectly encapsulating the onion. Okay, with that dip, getting full. I have to eat that cauliflower. This cauliflower looks amazing. Maybe the pieces are too big. So I didn't want to smother it in the sauce in case I don't like the sauce. I'm just gonna dip it in case, oh, it's so hot. Yeah, the sauce smells like barbecue sauce. Is that what Kung Pao is? It's a good batter. Sauce is okay. I guess I was expecting more sweet and sour. I forget what Kung Pao sauce is. They're so friggin' hot. Okay, these are good. Cauliflower is not mushy. Batter is really good. The sauce is questionable. I would probably maybe add something to that sauce to just make it more tangy. Maybe if I just add some regular old hot sauce. But yeah, I think worth it if you can find these on sale. Yeah, that helped because it's so vinegary. Okay, well. Hot for Food approved, episode 4 in the can, right before the end of 2020. Like I said, check out the plant-based bundle, link below. Go look at it. Go look at what's contained in there. You're gonna find some stuff you want, even if you don't want all 80 books, it's still worth it. So go check it out, the plant-based bundle, only available till January 3rd. Also, my merchandise on hotforfoodblogshop.com. There are some items sold out because we did get a lot of orders for the holidays, but it's still 30% off until the end of 2020. So December 31st, 11:59 p.m. Eastern time. It's gone forever. If you're interested, I've linked that below as well. That's all I'll say for now. I'll see you back in 2021 in the new year. Thanks for watching. Oh, I guess I wanted to say this, is that y'all are watching these videos more than my recipe videos. So some people have commented, well, I missed the recipes, but you're watching this like double the amount of views than my recipes. So just a question really for you, you know, as I figure out what I want to do into the new year. I have some things that I'm thinking about, which I'll reveal later, but I just think it's curious that no one's really watching my recipes on YouTube. And I'll leave you with that. Okay, love you all. Bye.